Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. For well, probably short, but some stream today. Going to do a little bit of neovim stuff. Yeah. Not a whole lot going on yet in this neovim setup. It's really just the bare bones, and I tried to remove as much as possible from everything else. So I think I want to do a require here. Remaps or remap? Or keybinds? Maybe keybinds? Or would you call it key maps? I'm not sure. I guess we can call it key maps because it's called key map here around. And probably like that. And then I think I will remove that. Oh, and I have a remap, yeah. Yeah, whatever. I guess we can do that. Now we need to open that, of course. Is that a split? That's not the split I wanted. Remap? Okay, it's in Lua remap. I guess it's fine. Now we have most of that here. Yeah, that looks fine. Now we add another one here. Auto commands .lua. And we will put in some like the auto command here. I'm not sure if I need other ones, but we will definitely put that one here. And this is lazy, which I don't need, I think. So the color scheme and stuff like that. So we do one thing at a time, right? So that should at least give us with all and then neovim, and that should unfortunately, okay. Oh, did I not? Did I still call it remap? Is that the thing? Yeah, I did. So W as keymap.lua. Did that save it into the same folder, or did that save it now into my root directory? Probably it did it in the root directory, right? Yeah, of course it did. But we can move it if I find my config. Oh, here, neovim, lua, and in there. Please in here, thank. Paste one file, thank you. Then we carry that one. Is that how I would want to have the folders? So let me think. Maybe. I think that's fine to have it like that. I think I can remove this then, because I don't want that anymore. So we basically kicked out lazy most of it. Not sure what that style lure is. that work? Okay. Not sure what that is. Why do I have that there? But okay. I can keep it for now. Alright. That would be step number 1. And then we need the plugins. So basically I need to require here plugins. And and we need to require auto CMD. Did I auto CMDs? Yeah. I think that should do it. If I am not too mistaken. Well, actually the plugins, I mean, they might come first, or like at least somewhere first. Maybe the key maps come past that, I don't know. And then I think we can kill that. I think, well, we don't kill the lazy stuff yet, mostly because I want to copy paste that over, I guess. So the first thing I would want to try to revive is the theme, to get that back. So I guess, oh well, the theme and I guess the navigation would be nice to get back. So like 2 plugins basically. So I guess, well, with plugins.lua I guess first, or do I just let's see. Maybe I do a theme .lua or something like that. Let's do that. Maybe. And then I guess we do here hello. Okay, whatever. vim.pack.add, and I guess that's an array. I am not too sure about that, to be honest. And then we get our cat pushing thing, wherever it was. Oh, here. Okay, I guess I need to do a full source then. I see. I guess I could do that, right? And then we need the cat pushing theme full URL, it seems like. Oops. Cat pushing neovim. Is there a... Oh yeah, installation with Paxi. That's exactly what I wanted. And then I can still require and update it. Perfect. So I would do that. Probably do that, yeah. And then we would do require get gene setup, and I guess, yeah, that's then just that and closing, and we are good to go, I think. Yeah, and then I guess I do just set the color scheme, I assume. And yeah, then let's save that, and I guess what I need to do is just copy whatever function I have to set up here, right? I think it's, yeah, it's just that part here. Like that, probably. Can I do that? Oh, that actually already works. Beautiful. I guess we indent that a little bit more imperfect. I mean, it probably will not quite work yet, but I'm not sure what I need to do then. Do I just need to do a require theme? And expected to close function. Okay. Oh, that makes sense. Expected list got a table. Oh, okay, is it not like that or what? Oh, it's a double nested, I see. What's this? And expected to close function at line 22. There is okay, maybe I'm mistaken here, I don't know. I thought that should work like that. Oh, it didn't save my end here. For whatever reason. Okay, and then yes. That's suspiciously long. But it actually worked. Okay. Cool. So I guess that surprisingly worked. I would want to know vim pack load plugins in folder. I don't know. Can I somehow load all the plugins in a folder, right? That's where I would want to, like, what I would want to do. Okay, then I could do that, which is maybe nice, I don't know. Okay, I guess I would need to put them into a folder for it to work. Is that it? Or is there a better, like, is there another way? Because with Lady I could just have them in a folder and it somehow magically worked. Yeah, I mean, I guess that makes sense, but I would want to have it. I mean, I can have it specifically, it doesn't really matter. I mean, it's fine, I guess. Let's do it explicitly then, I guess. So I guess we do edit of that plugins.lua, and then we require here let's try snacks first, because that one is kind of nice. Is that correct? Plugins and then snacks. Yeah, that would work. As long as in my init. Okay, so I have that, and that. And then what I would need to do is plugins slash snacks.lua. And we need to change that to vim pack add. I think it was, right? Yeah. And then we have another one of those again. And another one of those. And then we need the init as well. So for snacks, let me quickly verify that we have everything. Snacks. Neovim. That's lazy. I don't want that, but fine. Guess we just take this then. At least I think that's the the thing, right? Source. Name snacks. Okay, and then require Snacks. Setup. Well, then it's just that, without this, without that, without that. How do you set up that without? Because it doesn't, it's not a config, right? So how would I do that? Snacks vim pack. I don't want the which key thing. I want to set up snacks, please. Ah, setting up snacks. Oh, here. Okay. So it would be something like that, and then picker. Damn. That's a lot of setup. But maybe I don't need that, right? Dashboard, I think I want that. Expert dim. Don't think I want that. Probably image. Probably fourth, indent true, input true. Layout, I am not sure, so let's put it to fourth. Scratch. So that force. Scroll was as well annoying. Terminal. Yeah, why not? And then send. We will put that to force as well. And then the keys. Yeah, we will not do that yet. Basically, the function ends here. Is that it? Maybe. Damn it. Wait, in my init Lua. What was the error? I'm plugins Lua. Oh. Will that work, or is that not snacks module not found? Unfortunate. Will that work? That will work. Okay. It's probably maybe wrong. I don't know. HTTPS github.com cat machine neovim. I mean, that looks fine, right? What's the problem? I mean, that looks the same. But I mean, I guess maybe I add both, I don't know. That is exactly the same, or HTTPS github.com snacks neovim. That looks fine. Why? Copy. That really doesn't work. Mark. Is GitHub dead or what? Okay, GitHub is not dead. It's just a little bit slow or what? So was it just slow and it didn't work, or what's going on? It's the cat machine one? How does that look? I mean, that was an HTTPS as well, right? Okay, that now worked or what? No, it didn't. Oh, but that kind of worked. Maybe that worked now? Okay, yeah, that seems to work, but the dashboard wants to do some lazy thing, which I'm not quite sure why. So let's see if we need to turn something off with the snacks dashboard. Can I somehow stop that it doesn't do lazy stuff? Does it need lazy? Okay. I mean, that's fine, that switch key, which we do later, but how do I do the dashboard thing? Ah, he disabled the dashboard. Maybe that's why he disabled the dashboard? I don't know. Let's disable it. Why not? I don't know. Until I find out how to disable it. Oh, well, okay, I guess built-in sections, or maybe that's not what I want. Yeah. That's what I not want. Maybe I just want header and keys. In the sections. I'm not quite sure how to do that yet, but maybe it's just sections and then closing. Oh, but hold on, how would I do that? Is it just in dashboard here? I mean, maybe. Oh, that worked. Okay. That actually worked. Beautiful. I guess. Oh yeah, okay, and then probably I want to have section session as well. If I have a section for session. Oh. Okay, cool. Oh, that actually already works. Nice. So I guess we copy that, and the next thing that I would want to do is snacks. No, not snacks. I guess plug in key, I guess. It's fine. And I'm not sure which one I want to do as well. Let's do those two, but we do the snacks and we do some keybinds here first as well. I guess. So most likely what I need to do is here vim.keymap, and then I am kinda lost again. Oh, or is it? Oh wait, maybe it's not that. Maybe it's actually just this. Just down here after the like that. Oh, I want the indentation, that's what I want. So probably some LSB and stuff like that. Oh, okay, well, but that's fine. Oh yeah, that works already. Nice. Or does it work? I'm not sure. Might actually not work. Maybe it doesn't work? Okay, so here it does local key maps. Oh, okay, he does that and then. Oh, he has a helper function for that, or what? I see. So I guess I have to set it myself then. Vim key map set. And then yeah. Okay, then let's not do that. Let's get rid of that again. Let's paste that there. More or less. And let's do one at a time. Vim, Pmap, what was it? Set. And it's first the mode, and the map and map 2, and then opt. And map 2 is what? Map 1 and map 2. Ah, is it like that to the function and then potential description, I guess. Okay. So it would be... Let's actually not do that one first. Let's do FC, I guess. Oh god, what did I just do? That was a mispress. And again. Is it opts like that, maybe? Okay, it just has desk. No, okay, then it's just desk. That might work, I don't know. Okay, maybe not. Ah, it's next 40 we expected an end, of course. Oh. Huh? Expected to close a line. What? Okay, I'm not quite sure I follow what the problem is. Because that looks the same as here, right? Because we have a mode of n. Oh, it wraps. It wraps the description into another object. But I mean, that probably is not the issue, right? Okay, well, that was the issue. Oh, that actually worked. So that now does something. Okay, so then That works. Let's try to get which key first now working, because that would help quite a lot. Oops. Which key? Where? Which key? Vim, hack, add, and then we do a couple more of those. And I could have all the all the plugins in like one file, but I think it's cleaner like that, to be honest. Was that here? Which key? Okay, yeah, it is here. I guess I could not do that. Okay, I thought I copied it, but I guess I didn't. Or does that not work because I don't have... maybe that doesn't work yet. Because I don't have the clipboard stuff. Or I don't know. Although I thought I would have that. Okay, no, I do. I'm just not pressing the right buttons, I guess. I mean, I guess in that case, then we can just do that, right? Oops. Oh yeah, and the formatting. This is for something that I would want. Quite soon. Alright, Vim, well, we don't need that done, and Vim enter we will do slightly different, I guess. Okay, yeah, so then we do this setup here. Preset helix. I don't know. Although I don't know what preset I would want, but probably not that. Although, okay, well maybe I don't need that. What is this? Okay, I guess those are some mappings. Okay, but that's just I don't know how to do that, but okay. Which the neovim? Maybe there is a example. Okay, maybe I don't need to do anything. I don't know. Let's leave it empty for now. I don't know. I don't know. Let's not do any of that then, I guess. And let's not do that for now. And I think I would want to as well not do that. So here I will do this because that's like something that I will just do all the time. Why not? And then this is... I think it works like that, right? It does. Blue line 3. Okay, that actually seems to work. Ah, okay, I see. And then I guess what it does is this adds like a group or what to show. Yeah, okay, I see. Okay. So I guess what this does is what is it? Which he add, I think it was, right? Yeah, and then we do this and this and close it. We're not in C++, I don't need to do that. Then I guess those are the things I want to add, right? For example. Okay. Where did I... Oh. How did I manage to mistype that all the time? Okay, and then we have find here. Perfect. Okay, well that works. Find config. Nice. We're getting there, which one do we want to do? Conform. What was conform? Conform was the formatter, right? Yeah, I think. Probably. Oops. I closed one of my neovim tabs. Okay. Conform neovim. Okay. So I guess it needs an LSP for it to work, or what? Hacker? Neovim native package. No. Okay. But how would I... How do I get one of those formatters? Is that... How do I install one of those formatters? How do I install a formatter? Oh, that's with lazy, but it's probably not what I want. Is it Mason that I need or what? Probably right. Mason. Okay, I don't have a Mason thing, okay. vim.pack.add. Oh, that's probably as well just the standard one. Which is, yeah, this one here. Oops. And then Vim. Well, no, not Vim, sorry. Actually, where did my split view in my browser go? Thank you. Local. Well, do I need to do anything? Maybe not, right? Maybe the only thing is require Mason. And let's just call a setup. I don't know if we need to, but and then we need that Mason. And then probably I want to do another one. Plugins. Well, actually that one is probably not in plugins, never mind. Lua is probably the thing I want. And that is basically just a vim.lsp because we use the like built-in LSP now instead of the Mason I think I was using before from Kickstarter thing. Let's get Lua language server for now. And let's leave it at that for now. Diagnostic.config. I have like some reference for like a config, so I'm not like doing this completely out of my head. Don't assume that. But yeah. And then we need to create a new one here, lsp/lua_ls.lua. And that one returns us a config. File types is Lua for now, and then root markers, which I'm not quite sure what they are, but whatever. And I think I will copy them. No, I actually have no idea what they are. And I'm not sure if I need more than that. How do I need to create a directory as well? Yeah. Config neovim lua create new folder lsp. I mean, I guess I can do some of those settings. I have no idea version. Lua 5.4 whatever. And completion as enable is true. And oh, well, we need those diagnostics. Oh, we enable those as well. Not quite sure what we need them for, but let's just trust this config that I kinda have here. Then that one is fine. We need to go to my init Lua. And I need to include the LSP here, I guess. And I'm not sure if that's good enough already or not. Guess we will find out. Oh, that is fine. That should have been... Wait, diagnostics. Wait, where did it... Oh. Diagnostics? Is it like that? No, it's diagnostic. Attempt to index field diagnostic and nil value. Oh, because I mistyped. Okay. Well, I'm not sure if that works. I guess I could try. There's like a LSP thing, right? Check health LSP. Hmm. LSP.lua. Lua ls. And then we have in. Oh, it's not in Lua. Okay, I see. That's my mistake. Those have to live outside of the Lua folder, it seems like. Well. So it's not this, it's this. Move here. Maybe. Okay, well, I mean, it loads it at least. It loads it at least, so that's at least something. Lua ls. Oh. Well, we have code completion and scopes and everything, so that already looks better than before. Okay. Okay, well, maybe there is more that's needed. Because there's one more thing. Workspace is that. Oops. And then library, Vim environment, Vim runtime. Check party equals false. Oh, what the global? Shouldn't that then work? Okay. Oh, okay, that works now. We don't have any code completion, but that's fine. Getting there, we're getting there. I'm getting something to drink and then we will continue. But yeah, that doesn't look so bad. Be right back. All right. Let's continue, I guess. It's actually simpler than I thought, because I used a kickstart for now, right? Up until now I used like the kickstart thing mostly, and I did a little bit of changes here and there, but and at some part like here is still like stuff from the kickstart, right? But yeah, overall I think by now I learned enough of it so that I can understand somehow how it works, which is good. So which other things do we have? So I guess conform we didn't set up yet. No, yeah, we didn't. So I guess I could try that next. Plugins.lua. Oops, conform. Vim pack add. That would be conform here, and then we do the configure there. So I mean, I guess it's really just right, not the .git at the end. And then it would be local conform require conform and conform.setup, and we do that, and then it is I guess something like that. I don't know. Formatting with conform. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Neovim pack conform. Ah, here, perfect. I mean, that's nice. That looks pretty much how I would want it. Not sure if I need all of those, but I mean, that's fine. But how do I install them? I have no idea how I would like do that, but let's see. Let's remove that. Okay. Init. Well, let's go to snacks. The thing is, how do I do a conform now? Can I somehow trigger it manually? That is an format on save. It would be format. I mean, maybe I need to do a Mason first. Oh, okay, I do have some stuff here installed. Still. Okay. I mean, how would I even format that then? Nah. It ignores SQRs, YAMLs, and YAMLs. I mean, I guess we can do that. Inform. Find config conform. Oh, nice. Okay, so that at least formatted it. So that at least worked. Auto format true. Oh, okay, that would mean I guess I would do that still. I'm not sure what that injected means. Oh, okay, format buffer is maybe what I want, actually. But I think it's that I want. So I guess I could now go to snacks and do a C conform format. Perfect. I mean, I could have saved as well, right? But okay, cool. So I think what we will do is do something similar to what he had. Was it here? Yeah, I think it was here. Yeah, like this key map thing. I think I will do something similar to that. And then, yeah. I guess we do this as well, maybe, potentially. For the maps. Oops. Non-local key maps is what was that? Just an array, okay. Well, or a list of that. And then let's do this. And I guess, do we have mode somewhere defined? Oh yeah, we do at the end. Okay, whatever. Well, I guess it could be at the start as well, right? But yeah. Leader FC function. That and that, and then desk is find config file. Oops. And I think that's pretty much it, right? He has just that, right? Yeah. And then he has an optional mode. And then what we do with that is we copy his beautiful mapping thing. And I would say what we do is find config file, right? Like that. And then we have leader, oops, that, which is just buffers. Okay, and then we have leader slash. Changing the word, I think it's just grep, right? Yeah. So we still need, I mean, I guess we could do FB as well, which is as well just buffers. Which is find buffers, oops. Okay, so it's this is done. Okay, let's do colon, which is the command history. And then we have that one we have. That one we have. Yeah, then we have FF. Just find files. Find git file is FG. Oh yeah, then we have FR for recent. Oh yeah, and then is it that? No, it's sorry, it's that. Okay. And then I guess SD for show diagnostics. Oops. Diagnostics. It's a hard word. Okay. Nice. Okay. Getting there, getting there. Getting there, getting there. What else? We don't have a status line yet. Which would be nice. Oops. So what do we have now? Oh, we cannot navigate here or what? Oh yeah, no, we can. I'm stupid. Never mind. Okay, so find config. So we have set up snacks, mason, witch key, and conform. So I guess where the plugins lure dies, where the LSP one. So Neo tree I think was empty as well. The tree sitter one we for sure want. So this one I think I'm not sure if I need. The depth one we definitely need. Indent line is useless. Neo tree was useless. Telescope was useless. Tree sitter init. Oh, let's add gin signs. Blink for auto completion. That is actually maybe nice. And then lazy death. I have no idea what I need that for. Ah, okay, it's probably. Ah, I see, okay. Maybe I need that. Okay. So I guess let's do Git Science Blink and Lazy Death next. What is Lazy Death? Oh, is that lazy? No, it's not. Do I need that? I don't know. Let's leave that out. I don't know if I need that pink neovim. No, I don't want. So I guess he has a setup probably for pink, maybe? No? Ah, perfect. There it is. Okay, that is maybe needed. Okay, I see. Require plugins pink. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Blink. Oh, blink. It's called blink, not pink. Okay. Got that. Oh, okay, he has a version that like that as well. Okay. And then lazy death. Okay. Let's not do that. Let's do that first. And then okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's probably not what I want, but But I definitely don't want... I don't, maybe I don't need that, right? Maybe I just do this. I don't think I need to lazy load here. But I don't think I want this preset. Because I think that preset is not nice. Preset default, I think. Yeah. Okay, that is our whatever. Okay, I think that might actually already work. And that would mean we have auto completion, right? Okay, that actually works. Okay, nice. Plugins, next one, which I said would be either Git signs, I guess, was the thing I wanted. Yeah, let's do Git signs. And yeah, let's do Git signs, I guess. Is there a pack installer? Oh, but that is easy. Okay, never mind. In that case, it's simple. Is that the correct one? Okay, yeah, it is Git science and then diff view and whatnot. Okay. Okay. I mean, those are the default ones, right? So I guess we could do that. I think I want those as my signs. Or like, that's a plus. Change. Oh. Oh, delete is an underscore, okay. Okay. And then diffuse, I guess, is one that I want to do. Is it diffuse the one I want? I'm not sure. Diffuse neovim, is that the one that claims to be similar to VS Code? No. I think I want the other one. I think I want the other one. Neovim git diff. It's not diffuse, I think. It was something else. It's not this one. I don't think it's mini diff as far. Diff plugins. Oops. Was it code diff? Yeah. Then again, when was the last? 2 weeks ago, and then diffuse 2 years ago. I'd take the newer one, I guess. Oops. Code diff. Okay. So I guess it's not that, it's code diff. Vim pack add. And then, oops. Not. But I'm not sure why you would do that. Is it not How is that? Okay. And then, oops, require code diff setup that. Then the question is, how do we set that up? I guess just like that, probably. Yeah, exactly. So I do think that just becomes the default thing. Config, and I'm not sure, do I need more? Okay, or maybe key maps. And I think that's probably it. Okay. Damn it. Oh, okay, well, then maybe it's wrong? Okay. Plugins Lua. I guess that was not enough. Diff var code diff. Alright, nice. Getting there, getting there. So I think tree sitter is the last big thing that's missing. Well, and well, not quite. There's a couple of, well, is there a couple of things missing? So it's this one, let's clear that one. Well, I guess that's fine then. Yeah, which file do we want to do next? Okay, well, this one we can definitely delete, I guess. So we definitely need the other the other LSPs for sure. I guess we could do tree sitter next because I think the rest is fine. So we could do tree sitter, but I think I will do tree sitter together with this one. reset. So basically, we do a vim pack add, and then we have a list here. And then we have a list of our neovim tree setter here. Well, I guess we could do it like that, right? So that would be this, and then this would be the other thing. And that's about it. The question is, how do we configure that? The other question. What is that one? Text objects? Because I saw that in another thing. What is that? Oh, okay. I mean, that might be interesting. But I'm not sure. Let's not do that for now. Let's not add the text object because I'm not quite sure how to. But yeah, then that would be here. Local tree. Where do I need the? Yeah, let's do tree setter. Oh well, it's inventory setter, and then tree setter dot setup, which I think is empty. Then we do a tree setter install, where we install the required list or the required things. Let's actually do a local languages. And then it's basically, I mean, I don't think I need, I mean, I don't know, let's do all of them, it doesn't really matter. Okay, well, he wants to do that. So I think that's that. And then the other thing is I don't know if I need anything else though. But let's see. I have a config here for 3 feet on the left. Okay, I need, it seems like, some more stuff. So it seems like I need, well, not that, that was the thing I killed. But it seems I need this. Auto start to reset them. I'm not quite sure. There's neovim to use treat editor for code forwarding. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. And that's for indentation. I see. Nice. Okay. And then we need the other one, which is require neovim tree setter context setup I mean, it's basically that. I'm not quite sure why did I do that. What is the context again? Neovim context. Oh, it's wrong. Ah, it was that one. Yeah, I can remember. That one was nice. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Plugins. To reset that. And now we have those two. Damn it. Oh, it's the wrong path. That one is the first one. And then the other one is probably very similar. Why do I not see? Oh, is that because the config was not fully loaded? Hmm. Oops. Shouldn't that be how it works? What? Nvim tree setter contact. That looks fine. Skipping unsupported language C#. Okay. Is it not C# like that? Is it like that? Hmm. Is it not that? Neovim. No. Tree setter C#. I mean, that looks fine. But why the status bar not work? Copy. It's just tree setter context. Interesting. Interesting. Do I have now a log function already? No, probably not. Right, to test that if that works, but let's assume it works. I didn't complain about C# not anymore, right? So maybe it works. I don't know. I don't know. Is there a TS? Skipping unsupported language C#. I mean, maybe that doesn't work. I don't know. Maybe C# is not a thing, I have no idea. Supported languages. Oh, it's C_#. Of course it is. Trace it. All right. Nice. What other languages do we have here? I mean, I guess I don't need any other, but whatever. I mean, maybe Tamil or something like that would be potentially nice. But I guess we can live without it. I think I need it that much. And we can still add it later. Okay. Nice. Yeah, that is beautiful. What else do we need? So we have fixed tree sitter. So I guess it's only that missing and some LSP stuff. Which, yeah, we can still do. But maybe I would call it a day for today. I think we will do the rest tomorrow. So the rest would be CMake stuff again. So yeah, until Wednesday it would be nice to be ready again, right? Well, although maybe Wednesday I'm not streaming. Let's see. Probably I won't stream Wednesday. Because my fiance is getting home after like 3 weeks. So probably going to spend time with her. But let's see. Maybe there is an evening, like a super late evening stream. I don't know. Probably not. Let's see. So yeah, I think I will call it a day for today. Because I don't think I want to do the other necessarily now. But it's already like half, like I'd say 90% where we were. With a like way cleaner setup than it was. And using the new plugin manager. So that's kind of nice. So yeah. Thank you for joining, even though it was like just a setup stream, but I mean that's very nice. And at least I now exactly know what is going on in my configs. That's a good thing. Thank you very much. Have a nice rest of your Monday evening. And hopefully I see some of you tomorrow again. Take care and bye bye.